Today we are diving into 3 super simple cleaning tasks that will freshen up your home in minutes. I am recording this video after a week of pain. I fell coming into the house, I wrenched my back, and my muscles from my neck down to my hip went into spasm. I don't care for just lying on the sofa. I need to feel like I'm accomplishing things. So these tasks are going to be perfect for low energy days, days when you need to feel like I did something to improve my space, my home, my life with minimal effort. My name's Larissa, and this is the Concussion Crew, where we share quick tips and tricks and ways to make life a little bit easier. And this is another episode of 3 quick cleans. All 3 of the things that I'm sharing today are tasks that I accomplished in the kitchen while waiting for my toast to pop. Obviously, not all 3 at the same time, but they are fairly quick and easy. First, I started with my fridge. This one is as easy as opening a box of baking soda. We all know that baking soda is a natural deodorizer, and maybe you have a box in your refrigerator already. Take this time to swap out the old baking soda that's probably been there for a year, 6 months, who knows how long. Put in a fresh box of baking soda. It'll help to absorb those sneaky little odors that build up over time in your fridge. It will leave both your fridge, your food, and your kitchen smelling better. Pro tip, if you've got a pen or a marker handy, mark the date on the box of baking soda so that when you go to replace it, you'll know if it's time. It's recommended that we replace the baking soda in our fridge every 3 months. Task number 2 that I did was to grab a Clorox disposable wipe, and I wiped down the cabinets, and I kind of used it as a bit of a movement exercise. So if your doctor has said to limit your range of motion, this one's not for you. But grabbing a Clorox wipe and spending 2 minutes just wiping down your cabinets and wiping down the handles is going to freshen up your kitchen. You're going to remove any fingerprints or smudge marks on your cabinets so it will look better and you'll feel better for doing it. Cupboards can get grimy fast, especially if you've got kids or pets, and it's amazing how such a small step can make your whole kitchen feel a little cleaner. And if bending down feels like too much, just focus on the upper cabinets for today. Or maybe sit on your butt on the floor in your kitchen and wipe down the bottom cabinets another day. You can break it up into areas and do what feels manageable. Finally, let's talk floors. Sweeping one day while you're waiting for your toast to pop, and then the next day using a Swiffer disposable mop to quickly go through the floor. And I'm not talking about a deep clean under the cabinets. I'm just talking about something to get up any jam splotches or coffee drips off the floor so that it looks a little cleaner, but you've not put in too much effort. Here's my hack. I am dizzy always, and when my neck is sore, my dizziness ramps up. So I tossed a slice of toast in, I sat my butt on my kitchen floor, and I took a Swiffer disposable mop head and I just went around and did it by hand. Not standing up trying to push a mop, but just on the floor, looking around, getting up all of the coffee drips. And I'm not advocating to push yourself and figure out ways to get your house clean. What I'm saying is that if you are dizzy and it would make you feel more at ease or more comfortable to do a little something, if you don't want to just sit on the sofa, this is something that you can alter so that you can do it. But if you are in pain, if you are tired and you just want to sit on the sofa, my friend, I have those days. I have many days where I sit down and don't do any cleaning. And it is perfectly okay. It is better than okay. If it's too much for your body, if you're gonna make yourself feel worse, don't do these cleaning tasks. You are what's important, not a frickin' clean cabinet front. That was a little bit of a rant, wasn't it? Sorry guys, rant over, and that's it. 3 quick and easy ways to give the most used room in your house a little bit of a refresh without exhausting yourself. Share your favorite low energy cleaning tip in the comments below so that we can help each other come up with ideas for making ourselves feel proud for having accomplished something even on a low energy day. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you get notified when next month's 3 quick cleans comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and remember that you are not alone in trying to take small steps to get your space a little cleaner.